Touch it, Annabelle, touch it.
Want to touch it? It's called a kelp crab. Kelp crabs are super awesome. So I have three main types of kelp here. I have red kelp, I have green kelp, and I have brown kelp. And you know what? Like these guys here, those are called perma crabs. These guys here, I can tell what kind of kelp they've been eating based on the color of their shell. So this guy here, he's been eating red kelp. It's like if you guys eat carrots for a whole month and then your skin's an orange. You like carrots? I like carrots too. Only with ranch though. Let's see what else we have in here. Let me see if this is the same one. Okay, so you see the underside here? That's how you tell it's a male crab. Do you see that there's three big plates right there with one in the center? That's how you tell it's a male crab. I'm going to show you a female crab. That looks like a cone snail. Yeah, it's called a cone snail. Let's see. I'm going to try and find you guys a female kelp crab, and hopefully she has eggs in there. So let's see. So this is a female kelp crab. Do you see the difference? How there's one big plate instead of two? Let's check this out. Look, she's got some eggs in there. I'm semi-bilingual. I go to school for this. And this animal here, do you see this? This one's really cool. This one is called a sea hare. Don't touch it. We go and we dive and we bring it up and we canisters. Go ahead, touch it. You want to touch it, sweetie? Yeah? Do you know what it feels like? It feels like slushy. Like Play-Doh. How'd that feel, babe? Feel good, huh? Yeah. These animals are called sea hares. This here is called a keynote limpet. Wow. We're going to touch with 2 fingers, okay? 2 fingers. There you go. You want to touch a keynote limpet? I'm going to show you guys a keynote limpet. Let's see. So you guys touched a keynote limpet, right? And it was really, really soft. Do you know that it has a shell underneath? Look at that. It actually has a shell, and it develops this thing called a mantle. And this mantle comes over and covers the shell and protects the animal. And this here, this is awesome.
At this game.
This is sea hare eggs. You that animal you just touched right there? It's called a sea hare, and it produces eggs just like this, but they're not fertilized, so no babies are in there. You can touch them if you want. They feel like they're like spaghetti. It does look like spaghetti, huh? Kind of weird, huh? Let's see, what else do we have in here? Hermit crabs. Do you guys like hermit crabs? So do you think hermit crabs live in the same shell their whole life? No, huh? No. They have to get bigger, and when they get bigger, they find a shell, an empty shell, kind of like this one here, and then when they get bigger, they go and they find an empty shell, and they climb into it. Which one? This one? This one? Point it, put your hand in the water and tell me what you're talking about. This one? There's a little tiny hermit crab in there. Look at that. I'm going to touch that crab. Scary. Pretty cool, huh? You touched it, huh? How many arms do bat stars have? Let's count them.
That's Patrick.
They have 5, right? How many eyes do you think they have? How many? We have 2 arms and we have 2 eyes. So if these guys have 5 arms, how many eyes do you think they have? You are on your way to be a scientist. High five. Yeah, they have 5 eyes. They have an eye right here at the end of each arm. Pretty cool, huh? And you know what? If these guys, if they lose an arm, it's okay because they can regrow them back. They can do that with their stomachs too. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? What else do we have here? We have these guys here. These are called wavy turban top snails. There's a snail under there. See? Yep. And you see this hardcover here? So where snails live, sometimes the water goes away really, really far out into the ocean. And the snail is stuck there. Do you think these snails need to stay in water? They do, huh? They need to stay in the water. What happens when the water leaves? They're not really fast. They can't move, can they? Can't move fast. Well, you know what? They've developed something called a trust. Do you see that? It closes them on the inside of their shell. That way it protects all the moisture and they can stay really, really wet until the tide comes back in and they can get back into the water. Pretty cool, huh?
Right.
Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, we already talked about this. What's this here? Seaweed. Do we eat seaweed? What's another word for seaweed? Kelp. What's the science word for it? Can you guys say macrocystis? Yeah, macrocystis. That's the name for this kelp. Do you know that we use kelp to brush our teeth? How many of you guys shampoo your hair? Yeah, if you shampoo your hair, you shampoo your hair with kelp. My favorite yogurt, Yoplait, has kelp in it. Brownies, cookies, fire hot Cheetos, all of that stuff has kelp in it. Pretty cool, huh? And then what about this one? I told you guys about this one earlier. His name is Yeah, and where does it live? In the water. What kind of water? Is it fresh water or is it ocean water? Yeah, ocean water. So you know what this animal is called? It's called a sea cucumber. Do you want to touch a sea cucumber? Yeah, it's really soft. A Norris top snail. Do you see how beautiful their underside is? It's beautiful orange. That's how you tell it's a healthy snail. Did you guys catch any sea stars today besides those? No? Come over here, I'm going to show you guys sea stars.